Greetings everyone. Our team SDP 12 has created Citizens Connect project. Our project emphasizes on bridging communication between citizens, common people, and to politicians. In a traditional way, to solve an issue, it takes a lot of time for the politicians to understand the issues which are presently being faced by the citizens. In order to bridge this gap, we have developed this website, Citizens Connect. In here, the citizens can directly interact with politicians by uploading the issues they are facing, and then the politicians can react to it, and they can see the progress of the issues, and also they can tell how much the issue is being done. Here, as you can see, there is a login button, and there are three types of logins: citizen, politician, and developer. And yeah, as you can see, you have to enter your Aadhaar number to log in as a citizen. After entering these details, you can come to the website. As you can see, it's online. Here you can see all the analytics, total issues resolved, pending issues, active citizens, etc. And the graphs which are representing the total issues, current issues. Here there are recent issues and solved issues, quick actions, create new issue, view representatives, check updates. This is the dashboard part of the program.
Greetings to all. Here we can see the Indian political representatives, complete information about the Indian political leaders and also state governments of the major political parties. Here we can see the national leaders for key political figures at the national level. For example, we are clicking on the Narendra Modi Wikipedia. We can see the complete information about him. By coming to the next step, we can select the state. Yes, states option. We can see the each of the states have a different political parties, and also we can go to the next option like the state union state territories. Here we can see that Delhi, Jammu Kashmir, and Pondicherry, Ladakh, and Chandigarh. We can see there's ruling parties. In update options, we can see that latest updates of the day-to-day life and also government initiatives updates here in the information. State information about the latest developments in the community and also government updates also we can see in the latest updates option. By tracking your progress, government projects and also the latest schemes of the government, we can see in this option. We can see that the updates, so day-to-day updates, last 90 days updates also. By scrolling down here, we can see the all options available in the updates option. And also we can see the statistics about the what the government can done and doing in the scheme in the future. Available filters option also available in the updates option.
Greetings to one and all. Myself Dilip Sai. So let me explain the core web in this Citizens Connect web page. Is issues where all citizens and politicians come across and communicate with the problems they faced and resolve there in this particular web page. So let me give you a quick sample of creating an issue. You can simply create an issue by clicking on it, create a new issue, and giving an appropriate name like water issue, and it is comes under utilities, and the description we need to specify the description and the location, and the priority will be an urgent because the water issue, and you can also post any image or a file in this box. So by creating a tag, okay, we need to water issue. By creating a tag, you can see that a new issue was raised. You can see the tags that whether the priority of a issue is urgent, low, or a medium, and what category did the issue comes under, and what is the status of the problem. Here you can rather upload the issue, and you can either share your thoughts like this. The citizens will come across in a different place or in your place and share their respective thoughts. So here we give a quick sample of creating a new issue so that we raise an issue. So let's go get into the politicians interface. So for example, Narendra Modi, login as a politician. So when you log in as a politician, you get the respective issues here, listed issues here, and this is the issues which is raised as a citizens by us as a sample issues. So by this you can directly interact with the citizens. So you can directly interact with the citizens where your message is highlighted and specifies as a politician and respect to your name. So by this you can interact with the citizens directly, and you can also after completing the process of solving of the issue, you can simply click on the mark as done button. So by that the progress will be updated to 100%. the tag will be updated as the solved. So this is the role of a politician, where he come across and see the problems, and he can interact with the citizens and sort of the things. So now let's get into the mm, developer interface, where here we given individual passwords and IDs for the politicians and the developers. So after login to a developer interface, this is the sample interface by a developer, where he can see the different type of issues raised by the citizens. So here we can see a sample issues that we raised as a citizen, water issue. So it was completed because we click on a marked as complete in a politician web page. If a developer sees any inappropriate language or any inappropriate issue which is not been raised, he can simply delete the issues by clicking on delete issue. By clicking on it, it will be asked one more time if you really need to delete this issue. If you click on OK, it will be completely deleted on the issues page. So the developer has a option to even delete the comments. He can also delete the inappropriate comments which citizens. So this is the whole process of the politicians, developer, and citizens respect to whether issues web page.
So, in conclusion, we can see that the whole website has beautiful UI and UX design featuring various different designs, graphs, histogram, and bars, which give us data insights on the total issues, pending issues, and such things, which are represented pictorially, which really help us understand the number of issues. And also, under issues category, we can see that each issue has a progress bar indicating how much percentage of progress has been completed on that particular issue, which helps us give an idea on how much time it will take for an issue to be completed. Also, the issues created can also be seen by the politician and developer due to the back-end development which has been done in our project. And coming to the updates category, we can see that there's a custom range option where we can use from date to to date to access the updates which came in between these dates. We can see government initiatives, issue resolutions, community events, website updates, etc. And all these statistics in the updates page, which really makes us understand what updates have come in this website and provided by the government. Now, as you can see in the GitHub, we have used 4 different branches to work on this project, each team member on their own branch, and then after their contribution, we have merged them into the main branch for error-free progress of our project. Also, we have deployed our project as you can see from this URL. We have also deployed our project. Also, as you can see, for login, we have used Aadhaar-based verification system so that an OTP will come to the mobile number registered to your Aadhaar number, and only after entering that, you can log in as a citizen. Not very easily. The authentication process is quite nice. And coming to individual contribution, Deepak has provided with the basic UI and everything of the website, where the dashboard, issues, representatives, updates, all these basic development of the website has been provided by Deepak, and Dilip has provided with the updates of representatives, updates category, all this. And I myself, Sai, provided with all these graph issues, these new UI UX designs, overall UI UX designs, backend development, etc. Dilip has also helped with backend development and deployment. And coming to the description of this video, we will provide the GitHub link and the deployment link. Thank you.